Warm weather's finally reached us here in Mississippi and Easter is on its way, so I found it only fitting that I share with you one of my aunt's recipes for the most divine carrot cake. I begin by prepping my carrots. I give them a good wash with some warm water and strip them of their outer skin with a vegetable peeler. I then grate 3 cups of carrots for the batter on a box grater. Starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour in the bowl, I add 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then finally a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I just fork them together until blended and well combined. To the mixer, I add the dry ingredients, carrots, 1 cup of oil, and 4 eggs, one at a time. To ensure the cake doesn't stick, I butter and flour the pans. I then place the layers into a preheated 350-degree oven. Now you cannot have the perfect carrot cake without the perfect cream cheese frosting. Guys, it's super simple. All we're going to do is start with 1 stick of softened butter, 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1 box of powdered sugar, and then we're going to add a little splash of vanilla. After removing the cakes from the oven and letting them cool, it's time to assemble. There's no true rhyme or reason to the way I frost a cake. I start with large dollops of frosting on top and work them down the sides. I don't go for the perfect lines. In my opinion, the tiny swirls of imperfection let everyone know it's homemade. Alright guys, I've left you with the perfect recipe for the most divine carrot cake, and it'll have you ready for Easter. I'm Gaar, and until next time, I'll be living the good life.